What's up, good people? If you're new to the page, hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell, and make sure you check all so you can get every single notification, because crypto trades 24/7 and it runs fast. Also, to make sure that you share this page with your friends and family so they can partake of the feast known as Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the meme coins. The title is not clickbait and it's not braggadocious. I'm going to say that right off the top. Okay. It's not braggadocious because a lot of people lost money. More people lost money than actually made money. And we don't want that to happen to you. No, that's not going to happen to you. And because what are you going to do? You are going to be careful. Now, I'm going to help you, try to help some of you guys save some money. But at the end of the day, if you got a gambling attitude towards stocks or crypto, you will lose money. I'm Uncle Larry. I'm a straight shooter. So I did make actually over $250,000 with a crap coin, Shiba-inu. A lot of my followers that's been with me since 2020 also made big gains. I was one of the bigger pages that got into Shiba-inu early, but I put a lot of money in it early, and I'm going to show you how I was able to come out with such big bags. And it takes temperament and patience. So euphoria is up now and everybody is excited, and we could hit 70,000 at the time of and sustain over 70,000 and then to 72 and to 74,000 on Bitcoin at the time of watching this, right? Why are you talking about Bitcoin? Because all of these meme coins move accordingly to Bitcoin. So at the time, it is Friday, March 8th. And at the time of filming this, as you can see, we are at 68,000. We've been vacillating between 68 and 69,000. Now, understanding cryptocurrency like I do now, way better than I did in 2020. I plan on making even more money. Why? I went into these altcoins last year when they were beat down. Now, a lot of you are going to ask, is it too late for me? I'm just going to show you what I have to show you, and I want you to answer that for yourself. If Bitcoin goes up 10%, these can go up as much as 30% on a 10% move, meaning PEPE, meaning Shiba-inu, meaning DOGE. All of these move like they are leveraged because they have such low market caps, okay? So now you have guys like me that's been here during the bear cycle, and then you got guys that's went away. These guys that have went away now, and especially these kids yelling buy, 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 and hodl, they're all coming back now, and they're just going to tell you to buy every day, and you have itching ears. We don't want you to lose money. We want you to make money. All right, so now let's look at this. We see that Bitcoin is up 10%, right? But let's look at SHIB. Shiba-inu is up 13.5%-ish, right? BONK is up 22.5%. You see what I mean? And PEPE is up 35%. These are all in the last day, right? So the quicker it goes up, the quicker it goes down. So for easy understanding, just think that Bitcoin is the handle of a slingshot, right? It moves first, and then the meme coin moves behind it, upwards, but unfortunately downwards, the same way. And so that's what I want you guys to be careful of. And I'm going to get to how I plan on cashing out. Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell, especially with crypto. It is extremely volatile. Never invest any money into crypto. You cannot afford to lose 90%. Yes, 30% drops is like a Tuesday, but these can fall. Let's look, and they could fall hard. So let's look, and I'm going to show you my strategy. So we keep getting rejection now, right now at the time of making this video. What we are hoping for is that Bitcoin will break above 70, let's say 72-ish, and hold for a couple of days, right? And then get to 74 and hold. That means that we've broken above resistance, and now we have a new high, right? So we want newer highs and newer lows. Let's look at this. We keep getting rejection right here at 69 because why? Just like we said before in an earlier video, because it was the high of last cycle in 2021. So it's just a psychological rejection right here. Why is it getting rejected, Larry? Because that's where people have their sell orders at. That's why. That's where the whales are selling and they're dumping. That's where you had a big wallet from 2010 that had a lot, and they dump it right at that point, right? Remember, some of you are getting in here late. They've been holding for a while. Remember, some of us, we were buying Shiba-inu when it was 300% cheaper than where it is now, so we could take profits. Also, I've been doing a little swing trading, and so I have my major bags that I have, money I have in BONK, Shiba-inu, and a DOGE, and when they go up 30%, I sell a little, and then when they come back down, I buy a little. So that's what one of the strategies I want you guys to consider doing. Not buying when they go up, but buying when they dip. So look, so now here's what could happen. Here's what could happen, right? What could happen is, this is my buy range. So we keep hitting resistance right at 69, right? Right at 69, we keep hitting resistance. Then we had a spike up this morning to 70, right? 70.2, and that was Friday morning the 8th, and then right back down, and now we're trying to push back up again at the time of recording this, right? And so what will happen is this is the buy range, all right? The lower it goes, that's when I buy. I buy when long as it stays above 62, I can buy down here at 64 and 65. And so here's where I buy my altcoins, right in this area. And I don't buy when they get up here. I buy down here, right? And so you could see this is Bitcoin, but the altcoins in that same area will run up by 30% or even more, okay? And so here's what you have to look out for, good people, at the time of filming this. As you can see here, you can have a breakdown, right? And if Bitcoin breaks down below 62, then it's a free fall. All bets are off. Uncle Larry, myself at that point, that's when I'm selling and I'm getting out. I will take an L and I'm selling. Remember, you do you, okay? And I'm not selling and running for the hills. I'm just selling for now because crypto has had a run up before the halving, which is out of sync, okay? And then it could fall all the way down to 52, and then it could fall all the way down to 43. Larry, are you expecting that to happen? No, I'm not expecting that to happen. But those are the possibilities. The reason why I'm making this video is to ask you, what is your exit strategy? What is your exit strategy? Last cycle, this is how I made to over $250,000 with a crap coin, okay? Yes, I had some Bitcoin. Yes, I had some Ethereum, and I had more of that than I had in Shiba-inu. But what I simply did was I went in heavy. Those of you that was following me, I went in heavy when it was beat down. You have to understand that these are like pop cultures. These are like pop stars, okay? They are only worth what you and I are willing to pay for it. They have no intrinsic value. They have no use cases. Most of these meme coins are worthless, but we can make money, okay? Worthless in what they do, but they do have value. The value is in what you and I say it's worth. So I just showed you the trading range at this time period of where I buy and where I don't buy. But when it's low, I go in with twice the amount of money that I want to have in these positions, right? And if it breaks above 72 and 74 and hold for days, that's when I'm going to take half out, half of everything out. And then if it runs up again, I'm going to take my other half out and I'll just be playing with the house's money. Some of you have an addictive gambling personality and you're going to want to time it at the top. I'm telling you, you're going to lose money. Unfortunately, most will lose money because you simply don't have the discipline. Okay? If you want to know how to really kill it in crypto, make sure you download the only link that's going to be at the top, and that's Stock Up You. All right? That's Stock Up You, and we have an entire crypto chapter. All right? And for those of you that already bought the class, and it is going up in price, I want everyone that has the class already to go and look. I added a new chapter called Meme Coin. I expect you all to make a killing and not to lose any money exercising your discipline. Okay, so that class was added today. Okay, and then for those of you that take the crypto class, go back and take the charting class so you can kill it. Okay, that is Stock Up You. That is Stock Up University, and you will also know how to kill it with stocks. Okay, this is something I want you to study, not just one day, not just 1 month, but I need you to keep that and keep referring back to the class as you make money. All right. And so my question to you is, what is your exit strategy? Right? Gold hit an all-time high today. The dollar was falling today. Crypto performs well when there's low interest rates. So if the Fed starts lowering interest rates, crypto will actually perform even better if things stay good. Okay. So my question to you is, what is your exit strategy? Mine was I dollar cost average last cycle. I went in and then my first takeout was 25%. For those of you that remember, I had a lot of money in there. And to be honest with you, my first investment was large. It was $75,000. For those of you that remember, so it's public. And then I took 25% out. Out when it ran up 100%. And then it ran up another 100%. Then I took another 50% out. And then the run up after that, I took all of my money out. And I just let the house's money continue to run. All right. And for those of you that remember that or you partook of that, please leave me a comment. Right. For those of you that have the class, please leave a comment and let people know how valuable it is to you if it had made any money. And for anybody that's listening right now, I need to know from you right now, what is your exit strategy? Because if you're just in to win with no exit strategy, you will lose. Okay. I'm Larry Jones. I make videos like this every day, and I need you guys to understand everything there is about crypto, about blockchain and everything, the altcoins, how to make money, when to get in and when to get out, right? Come join the family. We'll see you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn.